For over 25 years, Reliance has been offering scholarships to meritorious students, a tradition inspired by the visionary founder Chairman Sri Dhirubhai Ambani. His belief in nurturing young talent as a means to ensure national progress has resulted in the Reliance Foundation scholarship programs. We have positively impacted the lives of 23,000 students across India. Since the launch of Dhirubhai Ambani Scholarship in 1996, the program has provided support to countless young scholars, helping them pursue higher education and launch their professional careers. Many of these scholarship recipients have gone on to study at prestigious institutions like IITs and IIMs, both in India and abroad. For these students, the scholarship has not only opened doors to better education but also enabled onward mobility, empowering them to contribute to their family's financial stability. In recent years, Reliance Foundation has expanded its efforts, launching the Reliance Foundation Scholarships in Artificial Intelligence and Computer Science in 2020, aiming to drive progress in cutting-edge fields that will shape India's future. In a major move in 2022, Reliance committed to supporting an additional 50,000 students over the next decade through a range of scholarship programs. This includes the Reliance Foundation Undergraduate Scholarships, which now support 5,000 underprivileged students each year across various fields, and the Postgraduate Scholarships, which fund hundreds of India's brightest minds studying advanced technologies. Through these initiatives, Reliance Foundation aims to empower the next generation of leaders, creating strong and engaged alumni networks that will continue to drive India's progress. A remarkable commitment to shaping the nation's future through education and opportunities. The Reliance Foundation undergraduate scholarships are designed to support up to 5,000 first-year students pursuing any stream of their choice at the college level. The scholarships are awarded on the merit-cum-means basis, ensuring that talented students from the underprivileged backgrounds have the opportunity to pursue their higher education dreams. Under this program, scholars will receive financial support for the duration of their degree, with the total scholarship amount reaching up to 2 lakhs. The initiative aims to create opportunities for bright students from every corner of the nation, empowering them to build a strong foundation for their future. These efforts of Reliance Foundation is a part of its broader commitment to support education and nurture young talents, ensuring that financial barriers do not stand in the way of academic success. Look at the eligibility criteria for students applying to this program. To be eligible, applicants must meet the following requirements: be an Indian citizen and resident, have passed 12th standard with a minimum of 60% marks, be enrolled in the first year of the full-time degree program for the academic year 2024-25 in any stream. Household income should be less than 15 lakhs, with a preference given to students whose family income is below 2.5 lakh. Additionally, an aptitude test is mandatory for all applicants. This program aims to ensure that financial challenges do not hold back deserving students, providing them with the support they need to pursue their dreams of higher education. This initiative reflects Reliance Foundation's continued commitment to fostering talents and investing in the future leaders of the country. That's all for now in this exciting opportunity for India's bright young minds. October 15th is the last day to apply for this program.